Hello, today is Sunday. It is the 28th day of December 2014. My name is Derek and welcome to this weekend's silver chart analysis video, looking at the daily and the weekly charts as the year comes to an end this week. New Year's Eve is on Wednesday, which means New Year's Day is Thursday, and on Thursday, planning on doing a multiple time frame chart video for both gold and silver, which will include the yearly time frame. Also, the ruble, the Russian currency, has not been doing so well, but talk about the ruble priced in silver and gold as well. The US Canadian dollar cross, so I'll be updating that chart on Thursday as well. And the US Silver Eagle sold. Did they break a record for 2014? Well, here's your spoiler. Yes, they did. Right now, less than 2 million more Silver Eagles sold this year than last year's record-breaking year. We'll go over that on Thursday. So quickly, what's going on in here? Last weekend, I was talking about how this lower retracement to me is not as big of a deal or more expected because of the size of the move that occurred. After all, volatility is larger. If you look at the size of the distance from the 18 average highs and lows in here compared to in here, much larger because volatility is larger. With that being said, I'm still looking for break of established resistance for a new pattern of a bull market to expect higher highs and higher lows. So it's got to get above 17 1/3, and of course it's got to have a clear break what is now established support in around 15.5 for me to be looking for another leg lower. So it's still consolidating within this sideways market. You can also make a little case of a left shoulder, even though there's not much here. This is the head, right shoulder. But again, breaking this resistance strong. Going down here, not so strong. And the weekly chart pretty much has the exact same thing. The difference in here is you have this long sideways action for all of 2013 and 2014. That has had this leg lower for the fall and winter of this year, correcting within this area right now. So right now the step is trying to flatten out this 18 average. It pretty much has to go sideways between a range of 15 3/4 and 17 1/4. Right now, of course, if you see that it's starting to fade lower, you can most likely make a safe bet that it's probably going to go below this key support level. On the bullish area, it needs to establish resistance. The projected one would be this area in here. That would make the 18 average band barely start to go higher. Then you'd be looking for some sort of retracement within the band, then a break, establish resistance for the weekly chart to enter a pattern of a bull market for higher highs and higher lows. So thank you for tuning in, and expect a longer, larger video for Thursday. Take care.